Hopefully you're all in the right place here for the second session of season 2 of our Evaluation for Learning series that we started last year. So today we're going to be focusing on data analysis, which sounds like it could be dry, but actually is going to be, I think, really fun. We're going to hear a lot of interesting, cool stories and see cool things today. So we're so happy to have you here. So, series overview. We're in season 2. Season 1, we spent mostly on the left side of this evaluation cycle. So the evaluation cycle is thinking about how do we move through this process of considering, monitoring, and evaluating. How do we reflect, connect, learn, and plan related to what we did in step 1? And then how do we apply that to improve our practices? And so, as I said, we spent most of season 1 moving through the left side of this diagram. And today we're really going to focus in on this top right one about data analysis. So what does our evidence tell us? And as we'll explore here, you all already have a lot of evidence and data in your drawers, in your brain, in your computers that we can think about how we might analyze. So it doesn't necessarily have to be going out to collect something new. So that's kind of a picture of where we are right now. And let's talk a little bit more about what we're going to do today. So our learning outcome and objectives, as I said, we're focusing on data analysis. So we're hoping that after this session, you will be familiar with 3 techniques for data analysis so that you can use them to analyze your own data sets. And so some of the things that we'll be doing, our objectives, are about discussing an expansive understanding of what counts as data, some elements of how data are structured and what we mean by data analysis, observing some examples of data analysis techniques, frequency analysis, theming, and rubrics, indicating how these 3 examples might be used on many different examples or types of data, and then considering how you might apply these or other techniques in your own setting. So that's kind of what we used as framing as we were coming up with the plan for the session today.